Attempt 2 of face cam. Woohoo. Let's get started. Don't press the button. Yay. Okay, so we're on the first first one. So yeah, we're playing Don't Press the Button today. Face cam. I've never done a face cam video before, so yeah. Reacting to my own video I've never published before. Face cam. Okay, soccer ball. It's nice. I'm gonna get way better at this. Like, I'm probably gonna play the game as I'm doing this. Like, I'm gonna have a device right here as I'm doing face cam there. So it's like I'm doing that, but I'm not really doing that. Like, it's probably something I might do. I'm gonna become big boy real fast. Is that possible? No, I cannot become big boy, dang it. I'm good at sword fights. I can oof people. Okay, lava. This looks great. How do you do this? How do you do that? If you look around it, there's no, like, other obstacles there. Like, how are you supposed to do that? Seriously, it's impossible. Okay, we're falling.
Now that's a victory royale.
Woohoo. Victory for me. I just want to say thanks for 200 members in my group, Cletus Minions. The winner for the 5 Robux giveaway.
That's a lot of damage.
Star Angel.
Chris hasn't answered you back.
I like that. I tried oofing somebody with this toy-looking thing. Ding, 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 ding. Time's up. I don't care. Bring me the money. I need to become rich. I need it. Obstacles. I'm good at these and crash. Mostly good. I finished the obby and I'm proud. I am so proud of myself for finishing an obby that's like noob style. Let's get a victory dance up in here.
I'm a fire laser.
Boing. People oofed from that. It's fascinating work. The lava's rising. Hurry. I don't want to hurry. The obstacle is impossible. What now? Okay. So fascinating what I create. Why does my armpit itch? I like singing.
I like dancing.
I like trains.
How did I die? Like 3 years away from it.
I like singing.
Again?
I like
Why?
dancing.
I like trains.
I found the button. We good, boys. I found it. Oh, a house. That's nice.
That's a lot of damage.
Oh my. Now that's a
victory royale.
If you want to see more videos on Don't Press the Button, that's just comment below. It's super cool. Time to go black boy cam. What do I mean by black boy? That it's gonna be black, like that, like this, like that, yeah. Because I'm gonna go grab something, and you're going to continue watching this as I go grab the thing I need, which is like a snack type. Not really. Bye. Until Black Boy's done.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Black Boy is back from his journey. His journey to get Cheez-Its. I'm doing face cam like the other YouTubers right now. Well, since I figured out how to do that now. Huh? The face cam's live. Well, not for my channel, but it's live of what I'm doing right now. Cheez-Its are so good.
I like singing.
Again?
I like dancing.
I like trains.
I like lava. When you have struggles of stopping your recording. So confused right here. That got mad. That I even had to leave the game. And realize I'm still recording. Well, that's face cam.